Hello students, let us continue the session on fractions. We had solved till question 3. This is our question 4. Look at the figures and write less than or greater than or equal to between the pairs of fractions given here. These are the fractions which are mentioned. We need to use a symbol. Why they have asked us to look at the figure here? 0 by 1, 1 by 1, when you observe this 0 by 1 is smaller, we need to look at the numerator and the denominator. 0 by 1 is smaller and 1 by 1 is larger. This will be the greater thing. Now if the same thing is made into two equal parts, we'll be getting 0 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 2. This is again 0, this is 1. Same way, this is 0, this is 1. It is made into three equal parts. 3 parts are made, here 4 parts are made, here 5 parts are made, here 6 parts are made. When the given numbers are in this way, 1 by 6 and 1 by 3, this 1 by 6 means one complete thing is divided into 6 equal parts. So 1 by 6 is very small. From here to here, this will be the length of 1 by 6. If you take 1 by 3, this will be the length. On comparing, you'll clearly say that 1 by 6 is smaller. I made a mistake here. It's smaller. 1 by 6 is small compared to 1 by 3. You look at 2 by 6, from here to here is 2 by 6, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is here, so 3 by 4 length is greater compared to 2 by 6. When we have 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is still here, and 2 by 4 is 2 by 3 is larger. 6 by 6 and 3 by 3, they are equal to 1. 5 by 6 is still here, 5 by 5 is still here. The 5 by 5 length will be larger compared to 5 by 6. So they have given this figure so that it becomes easy for us to identify. Let's look at question number 5. How quickly you can do this? Fill appropriate sign. Here we have to use greater than, equal to, or less than symbol. 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. Look at the numerators are same, denominators are different. When denominators are different, larger the denominator, smaller will be the value. So this is 1 by 2 greater than 1 by 5. Now look at the second one, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. If you do cross multiplication, this becomes 12 and this becomes 12. They will be equal to each other. Or else 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2. 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 2. They both are equal. 3 times is 9. 5 2 times is 10. 10 is clearly a number larger than 9. So 2 by 3 is larger. 3 by 4 and 2 by 8. When we cross multiply, this will be 24, this will be 8. 8 will be smaller, so we have to use this symbol. 3 by 4 will become greater. If you do cross multiplication, it's 15. This will be 30. 30 is larger. So the symbol 7 9s is 63. 63 is larger than 27. Here it should be equal. 8 will be equal to 8. 6 5 times is 30. 4 10 times is 40. 40 is larger. 3 multiplied 8 is 24. 7 4 is 28. So 28 is larger. 5 6 times 30, 10 4 times is 40. So 40 is larger than 30. When we do this cross multiplication, 5 multiplied to 21, it will be 105. 7 times of 15 is also 105. So they are equal. Question number 6. Following fractions represent just three different numbers. Separate them into three groups of equivalent fractions by changing each one to its simplest form. So we need to express this in simplest form. This will be 1 by 6. This 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. So 1 by 5. Here when we divide, it becomes 4 by 25. This is 4 times. This is 25 4 times. So 4 by 25. This will be 1 by 6. This will be 3 5 times and 25 5 times. Sorry, 25 3 times. So 3 and 3 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So we'll be getting 1 by 5. This is also 1 by 5. This particular number is 1 by 6. This one is 3 4 times and 25 3 times. 3 and 3 get cancelled. 4 by 25. This particular number is 1 by 6. This number is also 1 by 6. This cannot be simplified further. It is same number as it is. Now we can make it as group. So when you observe properly, 1 by 5, it is having these numbers as a group. 3 by 15, 15 by 75, and 12 by 60. This is one group. If you consider 1 by 6, there are many numbers with 1 by 6. 2 by 12 is the number first. Next we have 10 by 60. Next we have 16 by 96. And also we have 12 by 72 and 3 by 18. These are the numbers equivalent to 1 by 6. The third is 4 by 25. The numbers 8 by 50. The fractions 8 by 50, 16 by 100, then 12 by 25, sorry 75, and 4 by 25. These are the numbers belonging to this equivalent fraction. These fractions are made into three groups now. The first group 1 by 5, second group 1 by 6, third group 4 by 25. Question number 7. Find the answers to the following. Write and indicate how you solve them. Let me take the first one. E is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5. Let me take this number 5 by 9 and one more number is 4 by 5. Suppose if I take the denominators 9 and 5, if you find out the LCM will be equal to 45. To get 45 as the denominator, this particular number, we can multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. We get 25 by 45. Now this 4 by 5, if I multiply 9 by 9, I'll be getting 36 by 45. Here 25 by 45 is clearly not equal to 36 by 45. So I can say that 5 by 9 will never be equal to 4 by 5. This is how we have solved the first one. Now I'll be telling you how to solve the third one. Second and the fourth one you can do on your own. This is 4 by 5. Next is 16 by 20. Suppose if 4 by 5 is multiplied with 4 by 4, we'll be getting 16 by 20. You compare these two numbers, they are equal. Therefore, I can say that 4 by 5 is equal to 16 by 20. The remaining two you can try it on your own. Question number 8. Ila read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalitha read 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? Here, the total number of pages is 100. Let me mention that. Total number of pages is 100. Lalitha read 2 by 5 of these 100 pages. When we simplify, we get it as 40 pages. And as per the given question, Ila read 25 pages. Now you can compare. Therefore, Ila read less than Lalitha. Question number 9. Rafiq exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour, while Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. Who exercised for longer time? Since both of the things are given in terms of fraction, we can just compare these two fractions. Here, 3 by 6 and 3 by 4 both have same numerator. When the numerators are same, I said the larger denominator will be having smaller value. Therefore, I can say that this 3 by 6 is smaller compared to 3 by 4. This is one way. Another method is when 3 by 6 and 3 by 4 are there, you just do cross multiplication. We get 12 and 18. It's clear that 18 is larger. This is another method. And one more method is this 3 by 6 and 3 by 4. You just take LCM of these denominators. This 3 by 6 you can multiply, and 3 by 4 also you can multiply to make LCM as the denominator. Here the LCM will be clearly 12. If you multiply 2 by 2, we'll get 6 by 12. If you multiply 3 by 3, you'll get 9 by 12. It's clear that 9 by 12 will be larger than 6 by 12. Originally, this 9 by 12 is 3 by 4, so 3 by 4 is larger. This is pretty simple. Question number 10. In a class A of 25 students, 20 passed in first class. In another class B of 30 students, 24 passed in first class. In which class was greater fraction of students getting first class? So we shall convert the statements in terms of fraction and let's compare. Here, the total number of students in class A is 25. Students passed in first class is 20. Therefore, the fraction is 20 out of 25. We can further simplify this and write in simplest form as 4 by 5. Now coming to the class B. Total number of students in class B is 30. And the students passed in first class is 24. Therefore, the fraction is 24 out of 30. On simplification, we get as 4 by 5. Therefore, an equal fraction of students passed in first class in both the classes. Now we are in exercise 7.5. Question 1 is to write these fractions appropriately as addition or subtraction. Here you count the number of boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. In that, 1 is been shaded, so it is 1 by 5. The next we have 2 box shaded out of 3. So 2 out of 5 are shaded. The next we have 3 by 5. 3 are shaded out of 5 boxes. To get 3 by 5, we need to do addition. So it is 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 equal to 3 by 5. Now look at this. There are 5 parts and all 5 parts are been shaded, so it is 5 by 5. Here there are 3 shaded out of 5. Again we have 2 shaded out of 5. To get 2 by 5, we need to subtract. The next one, it is 2 out of 6, 3 out of 6, and 5 out of 6. When we do addition, they become equal. Hope this is clear to every one of you. Now we have a question to solve. Random, I'll pick few questions and we shall solve it. First one I am going to solve. Fourth one I am going to solve. Sixth one I am going to solve. These 3 remaining you can do on your own. 1 by 18 added to 1 by 18, the denominators are same. So denominator has to be kept as it is and the numerator must be added up. We get 2 by 18. We can divide both numerator and denominator by 2. We'll be getting 1 by 9. So the answer is 1 by 9. In the D, it is 1 by 22 added to 21 by 22. Again the denominator is the same. So 1 plus 21 will be 22. 22 by 22 will be equal to 1. Now I'll be solving this F. 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8, LCM is again 8. 5 to be added to 3, we get it as 8 by 8, which is 1. Remaining you can do it. I'll be telling just the answer. This will be 11 by 15. This will be 2 by 7. and this will be 1 by 3. G will be 1 by 3. H will be 1 by 4. I will be 3 by 5. You can try the remaining. With this question, I am ending today's session. We shall discuss the remaining questions in the next session. Thank you.